First try, let's. I'm safe. I lived. Hiker.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, buy a boost.
Oh shit!
Oh no! Oh, I'm safe.
Ow.
Pussy.
That's a barrel. That's a table. That's a tire. That's a vending machine. That's another vending machine.
Ah shit.
What?
That's a container. That's a barrel.
By what?
That's a vending machine.
No.
That's a crate. That's a container. Oh, that's a filing cabinet. Oh my god, no! Oh, so close! Got killed in spawn. That's what you get, Frosty.
It's what you get.
What? No.
That's what you get.
Spawn killed now.
You're gonna learn today. Oh, vending machine.
Maybe what?
Oh, filing cabinet, vending machine.
Oh, ouch. That's what you get, fast. I got killed in spawn.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
I'm still in this. Town goes
Oh fuck.
No, table, no.
Sky.
Hello.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Ah!
What the fuck? Oh, Frosty. He just died. In spawn.
No.
Container.
No.
The
No.
containers are our friends.
No.
Ah, yes. Oh, that's a barrel. Hi.
Oh fuck.
Hi. Boost, you got this. Ready? You're gonna one-shot this. Don't die. This is the round you're
no.
gonna
Okay,
win.
zero death. Let's do it. Come on.
Can you see me, Kurt?
Yeah, I can see you.
Kurt? Can you
I
see
can.
me?
Yeah,
You can't see me.
I can see you.
I can't see Frosty.
Can you not? He's like right there.
Block and unblock him.
Yeah, just block him and then unblock him. Hi, Mark.
Table. Oh, but please don't container.
Oh.
That's a tire. That's a vending machine. That's another vending machine. That's a filing cabinet. That's a barrel. That's a tire. That's a barrel. That's a table. That's a barrel. That's a table. That's a filing machine.
Okay, let's go.
That's a huge container. No, please don't. Oh,
Shit.
oh, that vending machine. No. Oh god.
How did you
Oh.
survive?
Huh?
Please don't tire.
No.
No! You're back here with me. Oh, bye-bye.
Oh, which way you going, container?
Oh shit.
Come on, Sky. You're my meat shield. Get going.
It doesn't work like that, but okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait after those 4 containers.
Oh shit.
Well,
But you thought those containers were gonna get me, huh?
That's what you get, bitch.
I lived. No, I didn't.
Oh, I got smacked by. Oh my god, that was actually a jump scare. What? Came out of nowhere. I thought all of us died at the same time.
Ooh.
Oh, bye, Sky. Oh, Sky. Guess what, by the way?
Yeah? What?
I'm getting a PC. Oh, look who died just standing there. Look who died. Oh, Daryl. Come on, Sky, you got this. Do it right now. Come on. No excuses. You got this.
All the way top.
How the heck did they blow? Ah. Kurt, you got this.
No, I haven't. Oh shit. That was so close.
You got this, Kurt. I believe in you.
Come on, we can do it this time. Oh, 0 deaths. Let's do it.
Come on, Sky. We got this.
0 deaths. 0 deaths.
Zero
Go,
deaths.
go, go,
Let's
go.
go.
Straight out. Straight out.
As those massive.
That container. Oh no.
Oh, it's no.
Another container. Another one. Sky, it's your fault. It's your fault, Sky.
If you get really unlucky and you get loads of containers all in one go.
Yeah, Sky's the reason. He's dropping those containers on us. Oh, there goes Kurt. Don't you dare, container. Don't you dare. No, no, no.
No, that's the problem with like speeds up. They go faster and faster. So once you get past the half,
Sky.
it's easier. But
You're gonna do it this time, right? You're gonna make it?
there's like no dodging.
You mean yes?
No, I mean no.
Oh, I just got slapped by a vending machine.
Oh, there would be a container coming straight down this bit.
Use the power. That did not work.
And I'm dead.
Oh, come on, come on, go past, go past, go past.
Ah, yes.
Oh,
By
fuck.
the power invested in me, I parked the
Oh!
Oh no! Why is it being so mean all of a sudden?
I can't even get out.
I think
Spawn.
God took your priest license away.
I can't walk more than 2 feet.
Yeah, you're not a priest anymore. God is smiting you down. Oh,
Why? There's 2 containers landed on me.
I have
shit.
like 4 in one go coming at me. Oh shit.
A barrel pushed me off the edge. Gosh. Hi.
Oh my god, there's like 4 containers coming down here right now. Like every time,
they're friendly.
yeah, but every time I do it, like the container jumps across the map at me. It's like it's almost magnetic.
They just want a hug. That's all they want. It's just hugs.
Oh, fucking table. Oh, fucking table. Ah!
Good fuck.
No table. Why?
This is not fair.
Oh, I swear to God.
It is not fair. You're right. I don't even know how they
I'm being
fucking got
smited.
Is someone shooting down here with a laser?
Yes,
Who is it? Oh, it's Frosty.
probably.
Oh, control the drift, not now. Please keep going straight.
Oh shit.
He's shooting at me. Stop shooting at me. I've already got explosive barrels coming at me.
You didn't see anything.
Watch that table fuck you up.
Sorry, as you were saying.
I'm gonna hug this motherfucker tight. Ah!
Oh, yeah, I deserve it.
Oh no, 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 no!
Cheater.
Oh fuck, 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 fuck! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Yeah, boy!
Disqualified. You watch Squid Game?
Do you watch Squid Game?
We could actually like. Would you like to do like a round of like red light and green light?
Yeah, I could do. Is it like the Squid Game?
I've never tried.
Okay. Yeah, it's like Squid. Let me. I'll look it up and save it.
The song of your people.
Excuse me, what are you doing?
I'm gonna scratch your lens.
Yeah, please don't. It's a new camera.
That's not my problem. Base, we have a cheater.
Excuse me. Oh, actually, I haven't pressed the button yet.
Yo, good.
Yo, what? Wow. Okay. It's not very nice, is it?
What you gonna do about it?
You know what I'm gonna do about it? I'm gonna.
Wow, rude. Actually rude.
What? What?
Breaks neck.
Oh wow. The bullying, the bully. Ah! The suffering, the bullying. Ah!
How the turntables?
How the turntables. Well,
They're never gonna finish, are they?
I'm gonna pour my tea then. If while we're waiting for these people.
Yeah. Come on. You can do it.
You're cheating. You're cheating.
I have made it. I have made it.
You know you
It's
cheated.
not cheating.
It's
I've made it
absolutely
binoculars right there.
We got someone close to the end.
He's gonna die.
Oh, oh,
Hey,
oh.
It's gonna be a
fuck you. Who said that?
Your mama?
me.
Jinx me? Come on now.
Alright, he's not gonna die.
First try, let's.
Oh, I wish I recorded that.
Oh, that was perfect.
Recorded that.
Oh, that was perfect. That
God damn it, Firefox.
How long have they been doing this? Oh,
Oh.
for a while now.
4 hours now, I think.
4?
Yeah, it's been about 4 hours, yeah.
Holy
No, we've
shit.
not been here like for I think for 15 minutes or so.
Whoa.
Oh man.
When he was just like, first try.
First try. Don't jinx me. Gets fucking killed and don't jinx me, alright?
Yeah, I was
Just
just-
don't jinx me. You know, I'm gonna go all the way down. I'll be right back.
Come on. Almost.
Table.
Table.
Oh, it's actually getting cornered. It's getting cornered.
Oh, there's this.
What?
Container. Go. Oh my god.
Oh.
Yes.
Welcome to the winner's circle, how are we?
Yeah.
Great.
Nice
I feel
one.
great.
You'll make it.
Oh, shit. He's back.
No.
Or not. Now one. Oh. Last moment container.
No.
Oh.
Fuck off. I'm gonna do that shit again.
He
Not
finally
again.
did it.